Namaste viewers, this is Junjun. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, make sure that you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, and please stay tuned to my channel every Friday to catch upon my new videos on home decor, easy and healthy recipes, and many more tricks and tips to run a home. Guys, I'm getting ready to make a vanilla cake. Guys, in a large bowl, take a cup of oil or melted butter. Here goes the butter. Add 1 cup full of caster sugar. Whisk it till everything is combined homogeneously and without lumps. Now into the next step, add 4 eggs to this mixture and whisk till combined. The texture of the mixture should be silky smooth. At this stage, add 1 full cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sieve this into the mixture and fold it gently. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for flavor and combine it well with the batter. The consistency of the batter should be something like this. Now keep this batter aside. Take a baking tin and grease it with butter on all sides. You can also sprinkle flour for extra measure. Now pour the batter into the cake tin. Now tap the cake on the countertop a few times to remove large air space in the cake batter. In this stage, you can add your favorite toppings. As you can see, I have added raisins. Now put the cake batter into the oven to bake it in 200 degrees for 40 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean when it is inserted to the middle of the cake. After the cake is baked, take it out from the oven and let it cool down. Now cut the cake into 3 equal layers. Vanilla cake is very versatile cake because we can add different flavors of toppings on it. So today I will show you 3 versions of toppings on a simple vanilla cake. One is a plain vanilla, second is a bit different with pomegranate, but believe me guys, it is worth trying, and the third is a classic dark chocolate ganache. Before going into the topping, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Pomegranate is a beautiful fruit with shiny red seeds called arils inside. Here I have taken the seeds of 2 pomegranate and grind and strain it. Guys, now let's start with the reduction. Now next step is to reduce it on high heat and with 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, keep stirring it continuously till the mixture is reduced to half. As you can see, the pomegranate reduction is ready. It's nice and thick. Pour this reduction onto one of the layers of the cake and spread it evenly. For the next topping here, I have taken 100 grams of 40% dark chocolate. Put all these into microwave and melt it. After it is melted, whisk it by adding 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. Combine it well till it gets this kind of consistency. Our dark chocolate ganache is ready to go on the cake. Now spread it gently over another layer of cake. Add a rich thick layer of ganache on the cake. So here is a slice of plain vanilla cake. These are a few toppings that you can put on a simple vanilla cake to add a different flavor and make it even more delicious. This is all for today, guys. Stay home, stay healthy and take care of yourself. Bye bye guys and see you soon.